Live from NPR News in Culver City, California.
Oh my God.
On Capitol Hill, Democratic leaders and the White House are trying to rework key parts of President Biden's multi-trillion-dollar domestic spending plan, rethinking new taxes on corporations and the wealthy to help pay for a scaled-back trillion-dollar package instead.
We have a Dashcam. We need to kill the guy and give him...
After months of wrangling.
That's why I'm not blazing through here. Hang on. Are you guys alright? Are you okay? Are you okay?
Croissant, free at Wendy's, free Friday and Saturday, free August 13th and 14th.
Yo, holy f***ing shit!
Great.
Yep.
Third place is Karen. Fourth place, he's been doing a lot of ads. I see him in a lot of ads. He's my wife's favorite quarterback for that reason.
GEB 552.
No, funny ad.
I was just on Highway 52 northbound, exited at Plato, and there's a road rage incident with a pickup truck and a Jeep.
What did he... Yo, stay behind them, bro. Stay behind them. Stay behind them. Stay behind them. I think he's asleep at the wheel. Yo, what the bro? Bro, he's drunk. He's up. He's up. Bro, stay behind him. Get some ball. Oh, shit. Oh, this is wildin', bro. Bro. No. Oh, stay behind God. Him. Oh, my God, bro. Back up.
On the hand before he could loose his arrow. At that moment, Aaron slammed the blunt handle of her axe into Seox's solar plexus, and the hobgoblin staggered back, then vaulted up and grabbed him in a chokehold, or the closest thing to a chokehold that the halfling could manage, given that his arms were barely long enough to clasp fully around the hobgoblin.
What did he do? That on thing.
If you give us your email, we got everything on the dash cam for you if you want it.
Yeah, let me, hold on. I'll just write down, you could just email me or whatever, I don't know. Hold on.